So recently I made a video about how to get ARCs. So I thought why not show you the ARCs I have gathered in the past couple of months. So this is the video for that. Namaste guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Divya and I make videos book related. So in today's video I am going to show you the ARCs, the advanced readers copy that I have received from publishers across the world in the past few months. So from Indian publisher I already received one ARC advanced. This is not exactly an advanced readers copy, but this is a review copy. This is a finished copy that I have received from the publisher, and the book is The Paris Library by Janet Skelslien Charles. I hope I pronounced the middle name right. So this book I have been seeing all across the Bookstagram, on BookTube, and I thought why not just ask for it from the publisher. And the publisher are two roads, but for Indian this is the imprint of Hachette India, so I got that from them. So this book, The Paris Library by Janet, is actually about two time period. That is, one is from Paris 1939 and another is Montana 1983. But the main character remains the same, that is Odile. She has this American library in Paris and she wants to keep it open even the war. When the Nazis attacks invades Paris, things changes and she gets preoccupied in all this war things. And now fast forward, we are in Montana 1983, and there she meets Lily, a lonely teenager desperate to escape small town Montana, and she is the neighbor of Odile and discover her love of language and the same longings. So I really don't know exactly, of course, as I have not read the book, what is this book about, but I have read so good things about this book and how this book is so emotional and just everything. And here it is written a library, and here it is written a Paris. I of course want to read this book. So this is the first book that I have received from the publisher. So the next book I received is from the author himself, that is Andrew Wellbrown. Actually he is one of the friends of my other booktuber friend, and through her I received this copy from the author. And this book is a historical fantasy kind of book series, and this is the first book in the series, Acrian Chronicle. I really don't know exactly what this book is about. I had started reading this book, but because of Grisha trilogy I started reading them, and now I forgot what I have read in this book, so I need to get started again. What I have got from the blurb is that this book is about a civil war that's being held against mystical creatures known as Mad Raven, and these two peoples are going to fight against them. And these are an Amantius, a lad of 18 years, and his foster brother who is an orc. So this book is about, and I really love the cover page of this book. So this is the second book I got from the author. Now the next three books that I received are from the Orbit publishers from UK, and I have received these three from them. These three actually were a kind of surprise mail from me. I did not expect them to send this book to me from across the world, because I thought my emails were not answered. I did not get any reply, and suddenly one day I have received this parcel from UK. I did not know from where this come from, who sent me. I really did not. I was really scared who got my address and just sent me. And now that I open it, got this book. I actually received this one first and then this too. So I really am thankful to them for sending me. And they are going to send me again yet another book. They actually DM'd me on Instagram after I posted my story of receiving this book, that there's this book by an Indian author, Indian heritage author, and the book is going to be out in somewhere June or after that, and they would love me to read and review that book. So they actually said me to email them with my address and everything, with the book name, so they can send it across to me. But I really don't know if I'm going to receive it right now, as lockdown has happened again. So let's hope for the best. So the first book that I received from them is For the Wolf by Hannah Witten. This book is so gorgeous. One of the main reason, if you know that I request books mainly because of the cover page, and all of these have beautiful cover pages. So this is the first book that I received from Orbit Books UK, and this book is about two daughters, and the first daughter is for the throne and the second daughter is for the wolf. That's all written here. And I also received a bookmark with this. Yes, here it is. The bookmark is just like the cover page. So here is the bookmark, and I absolutely loved this. This is not yet again a final copy, as you can see from here that this is a review copy. The final copy does not has it, and in the final copy there are many like corrections made which are not in the review copies, advanced reader copies. So you also keep that in mind while requesting a book, and the cover page also might vary with the final copy and the advanced reader's copy. Now the next book that I received from the same publisher is The Midnight Bargain by C.L. Polk. This book is about magic, as you can see, but I thought that this book was about going to be dance ballet theme. I don't know why I thought that, because of this of Midnight Bargain, but this is not about that. This book is about a sorceress, that is Beatrice Claiborne, and she wants to practice marriage in secret, but the thing is that if they get married, they loses their marriage, and she does not want that. She does not want a collar of marital on to her neck. So she gets to know about this grimoire that has all the answers, but a rival sorceress steals that, and she then Beatrice summons a spirit to help her, and then the spirits ask her to have her first kiss. That is going to be the rival sorcerer's brother, whose name is Ianthe Levan. So that's how it's going to be. Enemies to lovers kind of themes trope is going on here. So here's the third book in my ARC haul. Sorry, fourth book. Now the last book that I received from Orbits Book UK is The Light of the Midnight Stars by Rena Rosner. I just can't believe that they actually sent me a hard copy. I was so happy. I was like, see the copy, like hard copy. It's a privilege to get a hard copy from a publisher that is so outsourced from India in UK. So I'm really happy that I got it. So this book is about again a spellbinding love tale and loss, sisterhood, and the tangled threads of faith. So this is kind of a retelling of King Solomon. You all know, if you know, or if you don't know, search it up. It's about King Solomon retelling kind of thing. So this is going to be, but again the cover page is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a hardback copy. So this was the last book that I received from the publisher Orbits Book UK. Now this is the book that I have not received from a publisher, but I got this book as a giveaway prize last month, I guess, from another booktuber who hosted this giveaway on her Twitter account. I think I am really bad with username, so I really forgot her username, but I will link up her channel in the description box, so if you want you can check her out. So the book is The Cruel Prince by Holly Black. I think you all might know about this book. I actually saw again about this book all over the Instagram, all over the book tour. I was really dying to read this book, but now that I've received this book, I was like, I should have requested some another book from her, because now I know that this book, the whole trilogy, is for 700 on Amazon. I was like, okay, my destiny, misfortune, whatever. So this book is again with an enemies to lovers trope, and there's this king there's this Prince Cardin who is the prince of fairy, and he's rude, arrogant, and charismatic. And there's this Jude and her sister who saw their parents being murdered. So I think the story is about how these two hearts meet, enemies to lover. But I have heard so many good things about this book that I'm really looking forward to read this book. So these were all the 6 books that I really wanted to show you that I have received from publishers, from author, and won in a giveaway. I hope you liked this video. Also do comment in the comment section if you have read any of this book, what your thought on this book, or if you're looking forward to read any of this book. So goodbye till the next video.